Good morning, my people. How na day? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. No be small matter, oh. No be small matter. Hey. Ah, boy. No be small matter, oh. Like, this is unacceptable. This is very, very unacceptable. This is unacceptable. Like, in Europe, good morning. Good morning to you, everyone. For Europe, like, this is unacceptable, man. This is very, very unacceptable. Mona see dustbin. Just imagine if a woman who will not allow other people to have peace on Facebook see dustbin inside dustbin where children they sleep, who will come online every 2 minutes to trouble the life of people. Just imagine this. Imagine this bed where people not take sleep for 19, I don't know how many years. Like, this is unacceptable, man. You cannot be living inside this dustbin and bothering the life of people around you. Good morning, Kim Valerie. Mona see life where woman they live, the life where the person where they stroke people life every day. You come out at will at every 2 minutes and stroke the life of people. Look at the bin where your children are putting their heads to lie down every day. Look at the bin. Like, this is unacceptable. 19, I don't know how many 19 big no date where they use this bed. You cannot even afford a quality generational bed for your children. Bed where they don't use during war. Even Biafran soldiers, they don't use this kind of bed for war. Are you for real? To tell the world that this is where your children are sleeping and you bother the peace of people at will every time? You don't allow people to have their peace? Really? Second-handed properties parking from the ground. No sign of life. No sign of life. Outdated kind of life and things. What will be this one now? Like, what is this dirtiness? And it be like saying inside under bridge. Otote bridge na ve emanimo wabiye. My sister, I get it this, I get it that. Yeah, not the year word for live video. Is this what you can offer to your own kids? I get 30,000 for account. Is this everything that you represent? The totality of your life? The totality of your life? Now this one now you represent? Is this what you can give to your dearly children? My people, like me wanna check this one, me wanna balance now. Me wanna check this one, me wanna balance now. Even people will get demands for our station. They cannot be sleeping in things like this. Horrible. Even demented patients that you want to cage, they can never be sleeping like this. Children who are already more than 3-4 years. Like, what the hell, man? Even dog will not sleep in this kind of place. Even dog will not sleep in this kind of place. Saga Queen on live video. Is this what you represent? Your totality and your entirety? Bullying the life of people to stupor on a daily basis? Is this everything you can offer to your own kids? Before you come out to make match on live video? Like, are you for real? Since yesterday, I'm still in shock. Even the house where you live, there's no rug on the floor for children to put their leg. As cold as this weather. You stroke people on a daily basis. If your children are sleeping in this kind of things, I wonder what you and your husband will be sleeping and putting your head. And you don't allow people who have life to have peace. Every day. For live video. Me to say, the kind of furniture way go there inside that your house. I just say that the way we go be not be smarting. Exactly. She wanna be a saga queen. With all this nonsense, all this dustbin and dirtiness from the pit of hair that is not used anymore. Jesus. The first year when me enter Europe, I don't use this kind of bed. 1998, when I enter Europe, I don't use this kind of bed. What kind of children carelessness is this? And you are giving what attention to what attention is not supposed to be given to. You are busy saying another people are eating bread. Other people's children are eating bread. When your children don't even have a place to put their head. What the hell, man? She's not, oh. Mona, forgive me. Which kind of saga queen? You dash monkey banana. She want to be. I wanna be. Now, so now see this matter, huh? Like what? This one makes a lot of mothers' tears to run down their cheeks. Even best spread, everything is second-handed properties. Second-handed properties. Outdated properties. Dilapidated properties. Things that are not being used anymore in this generation. Somebody say you are just talking out of hatred. What are you talking about? This is actually the bed that children are sleeping inside their house. She even showed her by herself for a video. What kind of shame and disgrace is this? No wonder all their skin are looking like malnourished children. Children who suffer malnutrition. Even the man is suffering from malnutrition. This is what you get when you are too focused on the life of other people. Your own life will be lacking. Many things will be lacking your own. Of course. Because when you give attention to things that you are not supposed to give attention to, you cannot give attention to the necessary in your life anymore. When you give attention, what kind of dilapidated bed is this? Mighty Jehovah Nisi, Oba no metwa. Even your ma no de adeke vie. Wa ke bed ni mo ya vie wo wa baba ni baba. Wa ke bed ni mo ya vie wo wa Jesu me no vie de. If agbon ni ri. Even before she show and she go pack all the dirty and the nonsense we dey under. Ona ya packing yan la dian. Me na kwini. Good morning, Irene. What it be this one? Which kind of mother go say this one not shock? Even person, he shock one person, and I say not be lie. He say not be true, say not lie. This one reach to shock person. He reach where person they deny. It's not one as seeing him. This one a big shit where person they deny. He go say God forbid. Jesus. Awoke kao. Oh, one if you were one moon, Gina, him there moon. Oh, when I get on any social media. Eh? You want to drive everybody enter house for social media? For life where you not get? Now, some person talk, say if you don't watch the video, if you not believe. If me not watch, I for not believe. Oh. I for not believe. Honestly speaking, I would have not believed that children can actually lie down in this rat hole. I would have not believed that in this generation, children are actually be sleeping in this kind of. No wonder that man will say they beat some people for Europe. What did la video? Who will be se? Who wa ya ye oto? Ero gi keka na view weji. Ero. Venu ni na fise. Gemine movie. E pet na ma love go kuo. Abidjan yes ge ma ye gbon aviye ancestors of Benin. I bet my people more not taught true. Our ancestors used this kind of bed to sleep. 1900. Even the wardrobe and studying desk, everything, even the piano, everything we show. Even the lab, you will see you will know that these are people who pick things from the dustbin. If to say me no see, I'm not gonna believe my eyes. What is this? Eh? This thing they make me cry myself since yesterday. It's time I walk on now. In a way, shame my disgrace or way. Oh, ye plotty. Oh, ye get that block hang bound tag monaya. Because even no guala was jack but they talk as so bo. The time away. In a way, no me ye kia, no my me ye ni. My first time is all my life to see green wall when I take the abroad. First time, I me green wall there. They away bow. It's not a prank for Europe. Green wall. If you come on blue, light blue, no so pink. Wa no na vie manger sa loboa. O si le mon ku we egbo dogo de na do ahon ve Facebook we na resiebo. Na donate na ya debet ni bie kana. De teri ya ala jano dori donation na ya debet ni bie kana. U se na hin baba. U se ni koka. Wa ke vinije we mo eve we bo. O kono do lele bo yak bi na social media no do corrected your word. Wa ke bet ni movie baba. Wa ke bet ni movie. E ketu wa mo gbese se u ya dele chani oge 1 euro we shop of your job. E mnu wi bia kana e va bo khian lawe gbe, o khian lawe gbe ba son lawe gbe ba van. O lawe gbe bo wie. Il va boy o ka kia ko va we ba avie yori. E fake life o ka gbo ohun, be de no ma egbe na. E fake life o ka gbo e. Everything. Jesus, have me man ehwe moi. Person suppose deny this kind of thing, not even to come prove am. He go deny and go maintain am before he come show am for social media. Somebody say it say na dog bed. Na lie yo. E bed ni kita ye bed ni mu ye wari unji ve de amuna. Kwa ke bed ni mo vie. E mi nu wi bie kana o reg manu. A o reg manu. O gbanu vie ni je no da fon mu hia. E reg manu wa eva. This is what we call neglect in the Western world. Neglect of the highest order. But when neglect, this is what we call child neglect. You neglect your children for instance, you begin to give attention to things that you are not even supposed to give attention to. No baby wo hun vede no gbe na. O vi ju ohun no wo wa be ba ni bai. No be ke gbon na no ma eti temata ma we. No time when you get irrecoverable of your ni mo ya jo. No irrecoverable of your yegbe mo. I want to belong. Wada de dia dia we bono do total you wa ne bo ya we e de deri we bo. Ke ni mo vie keti no gbe vi wa bi ju ohun. No vi ota fon wo hun bai. Which kind of room be this one? Even this kind of room, say they know they people do people paint houses like this again in Nigeria? Green what? Edigwa amu anagmonari yavi. Itana we get na edigwa amu akarata no ro edagmo bungbi. Salo boa all misbehave kadere adi vigwe yo to every 12 o'clock ibo giason. Jesu me no vie de e shame and disgrace ni gwalo no hu na. E chela seti dada. E chela seti mwe oba no metua. E chela seti mwe e kele disgrace ni ri ajevu wagmo na. Yari ye la dianu gedo vai. Mona see house. See bed. A presenter way match the method. It's a bois. Presenter way match they touch everything. He go touch the one with they give and he go touch the one with they not give. Anyway, what secretary? So this is your totality. Because a child is the totality of every mother. Your child is your totality. Now, so you reach, you not pass this one. What you are supposed to give your attention to is there on the ground waiting for you to come and put your attention. Eh, Katie? Umami boya mo attention yo. Omo hekao. Una ari attention name anima se well here can be different places. You gave in a me ebo. E fana motien on leli mwine rehnya na hin. Eh? E fana motien ne poto. Non leli mwine rehnya na be this one. So wo wa henga je. Wo with you wa jebe ni ana. E be di ne mo ya bi jebe ni ana. Ebi ya fe. E social media o ma gegbe o social media. Do ma no do different we no na ka mo ribi yin ni. Do ribi eji. You say me Rita go bring you. How many of you they do competition? Now be you use your hand they show this sheet second-handed property. Wage bedi. Even the year when me enter this Europe, I'm always be bedi na 98 la webu. O sabo me la wo. E Nigeria ni cake by man lwe gbona. E mama lwe gbona. If you trailer driver maga, he mama vie gbona bo wade 7 inches by 7 inches. What me know that la webu vie Nigeria 7 inches of 14 inches of a foam. Non revenue na bo to of ye. Kate, come out yourself for fake life. We no be your own. Come out your mat for where they not call you put. Go give attention to your own self. Your life needs immediate attention with immediate alacrity. Your life needs immediate attention with immediate alacrity. Egbe disgrace now. Anybody no rije de social media now. Egbe disgrace ohian na ohian va we ni Jesus Christ no gi. Uri nu yin winerere, u win winere hu am discuss o han ya hu go we live video. O han now you go to discuss for your platform every day. Egbe disgrace no va ketive 2021 ending. O han va we ni Jesus Christ no mi mafa. Egbe shema disgrace no you kmoro your video wa e. O han ru kmoro we na 2021 into 2022 we ni Jesus no gi. Somebody said this one pass fairly use. Please stop saving nonsense money. If you can take care of your home, how can you have boo savings and your kids are sleeping in this kind of bed? Kids' bed is not up to 500 euro. I'm really disappointed. So you are disappointed? Hehe. Ew, galo bois. If you de we monto wo yan me fi monto dio wa na we salo bo aba no me to a. E de la fi na jia. But man no yete old furniture se merag mona. Outdated properties. Have furniture ni gwen. Every time when I dey tell una for this live video say, e rete keti ni fo, we na reti. E property ni gwen wa mi ebu wa e. Wa mbege cupboard no ruko ni a. Show me your kitchen. Na kitchen you for real no woman we dey okay. Na kitchen, now you go for no woman where they okay. Set of plates. Set of cups. Enter my kitchen, make you go see the arrangement of set and plates and cup in one corner. On I'm where the remove where ketu do you no pa misi kanyame. Me live video. No baby jwa uno ve wo humba e. Uwa wano we are here no wejena. A place that you can really give your children a better life. Europe. You'll be laughing at people. You even did donation this Christmas. Oh, we donation with Christmas in that case. Baby, you want one of your own wagmo. If you wear your big kevin and abuwa. Even where you go na keti, no we how we they give the money, they dash the money, they dash this one money. Kete that me yam maso way. It can even have ye maso way. Where their children they sleep, it better pass where your own they sleep. You will say you want to go they give people money, they do donation. We can't by force, by fire, by thunder. We can't belong. Nothing. Oh, and it's now you know that is not all that glinter that is good. I know if I tell una say that corner cutting where they put itself for 20 years now where they do video. You go sit down for that corner one way that baking back. There is a reason behind it. Now where that mo hona ma. Then no hona brag say that mo na ma. Oh hona we live video with you one ya fe. You will just enter market before you want to compete with Lolo. You want to compete with Rita. You want to pursue Jore. You want to pursue the other one. Who ya adela go veki. You go the find go they go where you want buy. 2 euro go. Eh? Who ya asile goro. Who got take gbene ya go bowe ya. So eri ebedin if you wedi. The day agbene ya you unji eri ose. Wari ya owe, even na bata wari ya owe gbe. Iga loko we gbe. Ime a loko we. Me agi we. Itama when I'm a strategic fighter. Me egbe fighter no we him. Somebody say, Mama, please, what is alacrity? Because she will not understand. Break it down. Alacrity now with immediate effect. Eh? In as much as you like her, you have to say the truth. Person not go talk true for this one before. Oga moderere na so he leg. If he carry this one come, na so he hand. Huh? So now this guy, no wonder you are too bitter. And when you hear congratulations in the life of people, you will be busy crying and pursuing them. All my when you throw you over. Eh? Juju can disgrace person. When I see the way Juju take disgrace this woman, how many times she done the swear for people they do Juju now? Just look at all the disgrace and shame that is coming out of her handwork. This is what God does. He talk and say, I will make your enemy your footstool. They will be under your feet. They cannot go bigger than you. Never. I will make your enemy your footstool. Their shame and disgrace will be everywhere and smelling. Domane boki gbenia. Sa me si, nou ye do pa gbe. Ebo mak bu wa vi jwe ni. Ebo ye gbo masona. Amane bok gbe no wala yi mi mama so waiva. Ge kene mo vie vede akbe ge huwe huwa li rambi di hiya. Ye vi san huwa wia. Ye disgrace. Bless you, Joe, they analyze. You never see this one, you can't analyze. Eh?
She was saying it's not an old bed.
She was saying it's not an old bed, this one. This 1950 bed. It's a love oh. I mean, you say, I can't mind. Person picking go, they use this kind one for this live video. Make it get peace for where a blessing day. Old fashioned bed. A bed is not going na hilo. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. No wonder. Umi ogie unu ni. When you enter children's room, you will see that this is children's room. You see toys everywhere. You see something. No way. Even a push, na say a push and may go clean am before you go wear and glove. O sa bali wo wana de to ma clean yen ke to bien we gbe video na. Iru an sa aga hara kwa we video. No wu yinwe. Ovie nije no muhia, o ma seti di e chiso be mi ati e hama, no wo lavo o da wo na no wo lekwa. Ni bia kaga ye na hole han, e man doctor certificate of dementia na, ni aga je video. Now only people where doctor give certificate of dementia, now that they carry their guitar, they go up like this. They call it guitar in Germany. He said me I give this bed name. This one has small cage for his ass now, small prison. Now small prison, this one be for his ass. You not see what's wrong with this dilapidated bed. What we be a car? Eh? Every what we know why what we be a car. Have a different fine bedspread in even colors. Eri remi voto e keti do avio you we be a car. Or siliku no su lokolo kunuro nigbe. Eri sile me different corner. This is what you get when you don't give yourself attention. This is what you get. Okay. Daddy, you lucky me. Daddy T. Yes, I love a prayer walkie. Isin gba ya to, isin gba ya yin agbona o. Isin gba ya to, isin gba ya yin agbona o. Wagi mazi gba agbon etien. Osani magaga jimare. Egi mi ma koma no ge o. Jere o ge tulele lagbon o. Isin gbegi obewe. Isin gbegi avie o. Ulewe ga ya seva. Zegbe fe ko le lo sade. Ulewe ga ya. Salo boa ba no meton a Jesu me no bi ede. Hey, say what is fitting me day. Oh, sweetie, veze, ye gborora ye gbe ya wema. Odoki unu yoto unuma higwe. Which kind of refugee camp room be this one safe? Abi? Refugee camp for Atehade, is it not green they used to paint it today?
Green.
It's green, Abi? Atehade refugee camp. Is it not green color? We have to go and snap it picture. The refugee camp in Atehade. The refugee camp in Atehade, we have to drive to there, daddy, today. So that we can snap it picture. But this is what we do. Eh? Somebody say 756 live video. But you are there on the live video. Is it not too early for you to be watching live video? For you to even be on Facebook and on your Facebook and see live video? Is it not too early? Hypocrisy that smells. You see other educational topic on live video, you can't jump into this one, can't type. Hypocrites. The dog come have hypocrites, don't pack their load, data here again. See them, 756 is too early. So me where they come from night work, I just the entire house, they sit and never even sleep. You just they say it's too early. This is how laziness will engulf some people. Before you know it, they will end up like it and start to drag all the second hand inside the market. I will start to drag out the second one. They want to buy a 50 euro bed. 50 euro bed. I wanna be all the second one bed spread. I go carry una go one second one shop today if I wake up. You're not too far from me here. Is this bed not there? Are we not going to find it? We will find it, oh my love.
That's where they are.
Yeah? We will find it there. I need to go and take them picture. They are there in the second one. I will show them the price. This bed. You know, we will drive there today to go and show them. You here. We beg so 20 euro, 25 euro, 30 euro. I present an egg be okay around the live video. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Or you even want to all those rooms where they put all those old native pots where they for take the drink water. This is so shocking, honestly. Honestly speaking, Fuji House of Horror, exactly. Now that kind of movie, now be this. Thank you for titling this Fuji House of Horror. Somebody say, see as these beds can't old. The owner of this bed can't old past the age because of trouble. So the trouble with this woman, where get this kind of dilapidated property for his as they do all this why. You didn't see it before I block your ass out of my platform. You were sitting down and enjoying it. As she busy bully other people and bully everybody around. You didn't see the bully she has been giving people around her since. You will never find this bed in this generational shop again, never. The only place you will find this bed are second hand. Somebody say people enjoy you more when you are doing topic. I don't even know you. Why is it that I don't know you? Nina Osagi. Obuse Nina. Why this I don't know you? If it's true that when I'm doing topic, where have you been? Did I know you? The people that are here now are the people that are there when I'm doing topic. So get out of my platform. You are not. I don't invite you here.
Topic. What is this one? Is it not a topic?
You say when you are doing topic, is this not a topic?
It's a topic of people to upgrade themselves now.
To upgrade themselves.
What is the meaning of the word topic? Go back to school, then you come and say
My husband said you should go back to school, then you will come and understand the meaning of topic. This one is what they call topic.
Say
You pick topic.
Subjects, not say topic.
Abi?
Saga is a topic.
Saga is a topic you
You
hear.
can talk about saga. Prostitution is a topic. You can talk about
Prostitution is a topic you can get.
Fighting is a topic. You can talk
Me,
about
I block her.
you can talk about topics.
La ball la jouer gbe vaguement avec des noms gbe na. Mumu.
If you don't know the meaning of the word topic, go back to school.
Go back to school. They don't know. They will not go. And they will not learn. They will not allow. They not go allow people where you know talk. You go jump when you are doing topic. Is this not a topic? What is the meaning of topic? Have you Googled and know the meaning of topic? No school, no idea, no education. Hey, Salo Boa, come and save our people from illiteracy. What are you telling me? Old people don't they sleep this kind of bed? Is this not a topic? These are the topics we are talking about.
Unlearned people.
Unlearned people. These are the topics people are looking for to do. How can a mother be putting the children to sleep in this rat hole? You know, it could make math for life. Yeah, not the year what the keti no soon woku work is you. No wa va wo avokuta. Ni jwe David step in wo hu you to river. No big buwa. E boya no wa mu gbi yere no la wa. No la o la wa no liye ke la wa no gun gbijue. Ogun de gbu eba e. U fi an hu jijua o. U so to no juwe se ato. All this kind of second one when you go the park enter house, you can la video can they make math. Adie la video no go regbe do make unu. Ou gbebe tomato sa afi lo gbu evitota. E ya debe di ni when you ki ade do make unu be la video. Ou gbebe tomato sa afi lo gbu ohun. You see the when people give attention to what they're not supposed to give attention to. This is the idea. You say people enjoy you more when you are doing topic, and we don't even know you in this platform. We don't even know who you are.
You will say people enjoy you more when you are doing other subjects.
Other subjects,
because
yeah.
Everything that is being talked about
Is topic.
it has got a topic on it. You understand? Go on top of the video and you will see the topic or the headline.
The bed, the thing, also know that film man we say. The Kenya san la, ibi ka wa san, yen wa san la hun bed, yen la obe na mieti yan la hun back. Yen la obe na mieti yan la hun back. Oh, when I get be o hi ma vitota. Here salabane. Anybody wey say Rita no go rest for 2022. The shame and disgrace wey enter Kate body. On the 28th of December 2021, I go enter your body. The shame and disgrace where you enter Kate has. In short, since the beginning of this year, the shame and disgrace where they enter Kate Edo Usma. Kate Edo Usma. The shame and disgrace where they enter Hassan in the lineage, now you go enter your own 2022. Or he allow a dark moment 2022. Egbe shame and disgrace is not like a Kate Edo Usma. Or he allow a dark moment. Egbe shame and disgrace is not vacated do no bohonwe or bohonwe nije or hiavawe in 2022. You see how they enter the bed. Then they jump now, like I said, then they want to jump enter back. What they go? Akbororo. Akboy. E pisho na wani de glassing. Awa glass egbo na rekori ye konkpa. Na ya we gift ne. E sister no monu. Or Mozuo. Every time when they come out for my live video, they tell you say you be mumu. You to say I the joke. Now mumu now you be. Because now mumu the sample cash. Come and see I have money. Look at your house. Look at inside the dustbin where your children they sleep. Look at it everywhere around you. Look at how local, how liquidated that you are. Not the let person hear what they disturb people where they around you every day. Somebody say you look like Muslim casket. He look like Muslim casket. When he be outside, ya tota ya gano to ya tota you distance are okay with them. If you Niger la Sokoto. Egi o emu nu ga piri tana we this oh no na. Oh no na no pupira pupiri na. umie mi no salobwa mu no na. Ah, me no keke no salobwa mu no na no va. E shame and disgrace no like bo no na. So we wasu we ade de yan go ma ga nwuna yi wo ho ba son ba fa. Ne shame and disgrace e fana motien no yo bo we de fana motien la dia be gbo e. O eru na mu da we ba son mu da we ba fa. Agwa nwina yi wo ho for ri. Because as long as we give and read we make peace. When you have a peace. E matter. What's once I got a live video now? If I know we always got a live video now, you have disturb me because you are disturbing. Not beside you, they do. You are just busy there and sitting down and poking. You are a poker. Or say nothing with poker. Even when the saga come, you know if you do. You don't know how to organize saga and do it. You are just a poker, a zagazaga person who don't have sense. See the evidence of your zagazaga in your life now. See ya. We will call another person zagazaga, whereas now you be the biggest zagazaga of this life. Ije zagazaga. Agbi when no joko. Agbi when no joko. The bed is used to preserve tomatoes in Kano. Ije. O salu bo amo azu agbe e ma omo zu e ma no ma bie baba ege na ya bi ozu abi oji ma se the time we person take bon mumu e good major bon thief na your better pass my people for what na the time we person you take bon mumu your bon thief na your better pass because if thief they come they go say thieves are smart people you see mumu ave muku muele avo mozu yen ma na bie I want to belong. Kids, not be by force that they belong. Or walking cow. Or walking via Niger. By force I belong. The word must recognize you by themselves. Your words, your words must speak to people by themselves. You don't need to be telling people who you are. Or see another me we every time. Now so shame. Now why you lack bona shame and disgrace or woman we kala jam we bogbo na afigwe you to una lalisan una lalikpa we you go bona la akpavio of the highest order una lalikpa we social media fu una me ladian una mwe bogbe no pa ihwe na lawegbe no lu won tag mona ya fe nu zeken vu to ihwe no why disgrace no na lawegbe o ma ye ya we yundu hu o ya we niwa. Una me ladian ou ado mwen bok be the third person ye khwe no vele le hia. E keti fi we all these things are speaking big information into your life. Wo ye the next no aya khiyo e. E bonu mu gbiriere no wa degbu we na degbi dio wa we degbi jwe degbe mi anu me na. Bonu mu gbiriere no wa degbu we no wa dekun every 2 minutes. Abi ale we see. Oh Salobwa, what did this person want to talk? Every time that thing used to say you are not married. You never marry. Kokobiri never marry you. He never marry you. That's the only thing she to say about me. He never marry you. He never marry you. Go and marry. Marry. You see where your children they put head. You Betty.
Very shameful.
Very shameful.
Especially after borrowing thousands from the bank to come and show to the world.
Borrowing thousands from the bank to come and show to the world. And this is where the children put head. Borrowing thousands from the bank to come and show the whole world.
Rich people, they don't count money, they count assets.
They count assets.
The value of your assets
is what you have.
Those are your riches.
The value of your assets are your riches.
So if you have this Cecil John Rhodes type, where the World War II war veterans were sleeping on.
World War II war veterans. My husband say, World War II war veterans were sleeping here. Scheiße. You was not even at home when I said this yesterday. I said this one's a soldier's bed. Soldiers never even use this one in the war. You was not home when I said it yesterday. I said soldiers don't use it in the war.
Yeah. It's a pity.
It's just a pity. World War II war veterans. It's like you really know. It now only war vets now sleep this kind of bed. Those days. Baby, come and kiss. Now daddy now you be. I bet come and kiss, Jare. Come and kiss daddy till before you go to work this morning. Now daddy you be. Ah! Eu salo boa. I hofia nya gbegbe we bo. Kai. I hofia nya gbe. Daddy, please I need your phone. I want to play one ifia nya gbe music. Please. Let me play one ifia nya gbe music because I can't just in short. Baby, please let me play one ifia nya gbe music from your phone. Ew. Ohia na gima. Please. I'm using my other phone to show them. Do you have a play it on your phone?
No, I don't.
Okay, let me go to YouTube. Help me with YouTube. My husband say war vet. He say now war veterans. Nicely for this guy bed does this. Esta tosho madoguge. Wadoge huwe che ma disgrace wadoge bed the movie avec bewebo. Abe mona give me the title of that person who sing that music. If yang agbe oh na ma wo wa no be Don VF. Who sing again? Oru odegbojuku. Mona give me the title of the music. Don VS. Hey, Don VS, wariye me o. Egbe wo me o, wegbe wo tota we natama. Oh enwe. Egbe we tota re we natama je me nije. Egbe we tota nego we natama. Egbe awe otota we natama oye venije. Eki setize no gado. Wagigi no tarata. Egbe awe otota we natama oye venije. Egbe wome bie wome. Egbe wome fuwa isa batalemo. Egbe wotota we natama my people. Egbe wotota we natama. Aweni ritave do shuore. Mave walk badwe ke showa no ya disgrace gwebi ramiri ebi na ma wa we eketi I want to belong we give me one mozwo be nu gwejia the time we ga no na ka ya borrow go be bank again ni owe console ja console money na me go show money wetin I show you not be too much with the buy with cash wa zuwa awuzo hin ade ya me hin kuta. What be the name again, my people? What's in one in if you're be boy tattoo or get on VF? Boy tattoo or get my people? What be the tattoo of if you're be? If you're be nema bokbowa. Oru no degbojuku. Wage o. E penti na malo ugwo mohwa. Ya penti wo we mo we bo wage we bo. All my fans we dey Nigeria me una kon return. Mo na kon return o. Salo bano oko dudu na kpa ma we yagi. Fuji House of Horror. Oko dudu na kpa ma oge no. Or yegeni ma. Nu ya u. Mona tell me the title of that Don VS music. What am I title or reggae watota? Don VS no, but the title of the music. Iwa be mi ami ete be dere. Egbe wo tota we na tama o. Eri mami fi anya gbe egbe we bo.
Sasu they make the money, Mosi they use up for harmony. You go to Sasu,
Why ya?
you go to the house, nobody comes.
Okay.
You go to Sasu,
They ask that waiting I use the money. Okay, pride exactly. Oh, we moto wa mother wa mama bo.
she never know what they saw.
Oh, salobua.
Spend the money, Mosi they use chicken, they eat turkey. 1 million for each family. Mosi they spend money. Sasu for the year canary, say Mosi got the lavish money. I want to cross. Mosi now go.
Pride if you go okay.
Mosi they do to make sure their husband begin move. Because Sasu you know to the house, nobody can Mosi. Because Sasu
Bring dein Geschäft ins Internet und verkaufe online mit Shopify, der E-Commerce-Plattform, der mehr als 1 Million.
Dans VS, il va dans clip, il va se boy au vieux man. RN, vous renouvelez au jeu. Beaucoup c'est. Posifié, mais VS. Arate bini fianye besi gerima. Arate bini fianye besi gerima vijeme. Arate bini fianye besi gerima.
Gima we. Gima if ya nyagbe. Ona ma wo fun wa.
I get it this, I get it that.
If ya nyagbe.
Ona ma wo fun wa.
Oh, salobua. Orwa de gojuku o.
Ona ma wo fun wa. If ya nyagbe. Ona ma wo fun wa.
Mama people. Well, Ugbe ma gba kwe don VS gumi go be
Ugata letata toto, I don't forget before you. God's gonna be the bless you. You want me no ga message.
Irwa o.
If you young be mama no can be you sorry.
Oh, mama.
When I face a give you some say.
Oh.
Ina even woman, no na egitalo.
Oh, got a lo ene because I'm a get be okay mama di ake.
Ana te ni fian yen be sing egi.
Oh, don VS si wan agbe.
Ana te ni fian yen be sing egi ma vi jeme. Ana te ni fian yen be sing egi ma o jeme ni je. Egi ujaje. Ifian yen be. Ona ma wo fun wa je. I get it this, I get it that. If you're nyagbe,
Orwa de gojuku egbe we o. Orwa de gojuku egbe.
I go buy you the nyagbe. Onema mofuwaje. I get it this, I get it that. If you're nyagbe, orwa de gojuku de. Marwa o.
Magwa nyagbe o.
Reni maye matao. Orwa la wa be na correct.
Oh, big love.
Sama eti ro atala maye wa yesi.
Ijeme.
Back in a walk. No wa ba so my school. Aga ya Roma no fe. The truck of figa ene. Oye orwa ne ma so ma wo ye. Europa wa chefia. O wa ja to pa o baba.
Oh, don't be as you na in what you know what you beg here. That is the need to be here to be. Oh, so good.
Arate ni fianye besi gerima.
Arate ni fianye besi
gerima vijeme. Arate ni fianye besi gerima o. Gerima. Ni fianye be. Ona ma wo po wale. I get it this, I get it that. Ni fianye be. Orwa de goduko. I go give you visa. I go buy you the car. On a get this, I get it that. If you anyagbe, Orwa de Bojuko, yeah. I can give you visa.
Don't be a sick. So
I
big.
get this, I get it. Yeah, man. Heaven never got you go, yeah. Buku says.
Yo. Waka. Don't be a sick. I'm at where you're walking. I'm at where you're walking. I'm not your walk. I'm on a lab. You get me Vienna. He
I'm not telling if you're see,
when they read the swag, Ben Saga, Gabola with J.
I'm not telling if you're see,
If you're oh, Nama walk more while.
I get this, I get it that.
If you're or what they go, you go. Or what they go, you go. Yeah, I'm with the man you pony myself at the wedding only left. If you're or what they go, you go. Oh. I get 30,000 euros. The money debt me and the mob you what you I get 30,000. Who we son? Now children they speak. I get to this, I get to that.
I get to this, I get to that. If you're over the go you go. Marwa, my wife, Yanya, when you my matao, or what I will now be correct. Who's a man at the over Watala, my YS? The back in a walk, no, what about my school? I got your Roma no fe, the truck of feet, I will run a mess of my woe. Europa was Javia, or one you do about my
oh,
I was over my pen, I was two bars on this. I'm not telling if I am the sea, I got 75 years, but see, my VJ. I'm not telling if I am the sea, my OJ. If I get this, I get it that. If I or what they go to go,
I want to send money to person where to keep this. Even if one of the egg, Bemara, the same as I be with she was doing a correct therapy.
I go give you visa.
I talk about your mala way, I can't wait.
Stopp, kennst du YouTube?
See person will say one can correct people life. Wage. O ma me pa no e wi dag mo eh. See o. Oga mi na ikboy. Oga mi no pa ikboy. Oga mi no pa bo enu nu eni awo enu bolowolo be na ye pisto wolo ko nu gi korionag mo na ya bi. E mama be mi la kin we sugusugu. Omo elele ramiri oga mu fi oga mu gbo enu unu nu dan mu kin pe woko ni oga mu lele life da doge hian. O ma ti dole dagmo enjige keni wherever you was psychologically you are depressing the children with your oversabi. The things you are supposed to give your interest to, you know, they give interest to them. Killing your children small. Hey. Oh my baby, now when I go give my baby in Africa, or not the baby none if you we have Africa, you not go beat her. Katie Wetemata. You did this Europe, they give money to another person, may take care of your children. You come Nigeria, come meet this kind of bed and this under this kind of dilapidated condition. Dilapidated condition. Condition that is dilapidated. When I do that condition, all money and where you go give, una do that video. How are you going to address that person? Oh, we more green. When I Aduro camp. The color of Aduro camp in Germany is green. You know where my husband talking just now. We'll go take a picture today. Aduro camp is green. A refugee camp. That is what you built for your children inside your house to be living in. A refugee camp. Ali, you say me I repeat you say me I repeat that song where follow this thing. He follow this thing well. Huh? Una don't see this kind of song where follow this kind of this thing before. It be like say Don DF just know say this one go happen for front. Now he just off sing this music for grand. Eh? This boy they do follow up way. Eh? If they do follow up way. Or what follow up cabo. He just know say have a live video presenter so firewood bed wo you hama you was so aya kokeren with gwe. Good morning, Nadia, my darling. How are you? So, boy, you man.
Yes. I'm not telling if you're young, but see, I'm not telling if you're young, but see, I'm not telling if you're young, but see, if you're young, on them I get this, I get it that. If you're young, on them I don't forget before you. God's gonna may bless you. You will man on a message. If you're young, mama, no hurry, you say, when I face a review, so we say,
what is this?
If I ain't a woman, or not a guitar.
All the photos I can show you. If not, why this son?
I get this, I get it that.
Oh, what they go do? Or you do quite well with you. I don't go.
I get this, I get
good morning, Frank Victor. How you doing, my son, brother? I don't if you're Tanya Gbe na gbere wa do ge bed la wo Frank. We be momo be Nigeria. We we be bed na. E bed na akokere.
No wa ba so my aga ya ro ma no fe. E tro ka fi ja e.
Adoga we do.
Europe wa tefia. O wa nya tun pa o ba ma ba. O wa nya tun pa o bi da option.
Don't have to be at yourself. You don't have to do it better. I will support you.
I'm not telling if I am busy,
man, it yourself, man, be that in
I'm not telling if I am busy,
man, carry you over. Every bank, I will liberate. Unu wano. Imo tu nu nemi accident wude.
I get it this, I get it that. If
Eri ose wo magbera me nia. This is Lydia Baby. Baby na ma lo wa do Lydia lo wo na.
I get it this, I get it that. If
Ele kere o. Orwa de gbojuko. La wo wa dogun meye bet na ya company with the VS na. Frankie we gwa wa woni budo. Mani de compilation we bet na be mwe. Imwe don VS na re ifianya gbe na. Ona era ibieka.
He's done VS on the mix.
Wado huge o. O come nu wa. Ije. I waro come o be bet wa san ladien bet no keke san ladien. Inwe. E rambiri. E gbona na we nu we ya to ma o tin mi no sunu. O we nu wa tota. E bebo gi wa la wo wetuwe. Ofo. E bebo gi ga la tuwe ologo ya na banfo a. We nu ya to ma wa tota ye bet e bebo gi wa la wo tuwe. E sera ko wa e mani no de ko gi ma no e mi no gi sunu dariere ona amu me hospital e huwe hospital na ya mu me e be bog ya wa la ma wa fi bo no ma no wa fi o go la fi ni to to ke no so bo le ti ni ya kwa baba Iwan sa ya we o ya sa ya ni am wan sa egbi wan sa ado egbi wan sa abedi the sole proprietor of wan sa e ya nyar wan sa ebe ba se mi di ben egbi wan sa wa do le na mi o Rosa wale la piko wono na ni ogo. Ori ya piko ni so toke zo ogo. Uche ya tuwa ma o. Mwa piko ge doto no tu. Bed bogo. This is bed bogo. Owi wansa. Oh, we want someone limited. I want to be presenter Nigeria in the video. The more you have I've been number one. I pass you. I go give you visa. I go buy you the oh, my Korea. A picture na Korea. One na ya rock ya nwa nya. O champagne aye gbe na nwa. Ko ko aye bo paso le sagwe yu ni bayi. Aboki me. E be ni aye keto pa pe ki ana ni ari ya ba bo. Aboki akomo keto la bia wona na Korea ki ala bia bo pa o ga sa me yo ga pe. Ni ama we ki abo ni sanya pe do. Oye woro ne me so ro ma wo euro ko wa je fia o wa nya tun pa o ba ma ba o wa nya tun pa o bi da otra au so ma te na uza ara de ya se ka jokuta tu pares non this after 30,000 euro wa do be bed if ya nya gbe ti ara ti ni fia yen gbe si eri ma mi je me ara ti ni fia yen gbe si eri ma o je me tura de nunu be mama Wadoge yo. Wadoge be bogbe ni ya e bo ni ya ni ya ti. I get this, I get it that. Abo e bo ri na mi ro la pe di. E se ma bi grace. O sa gbada mu la woro. I go buy you the I get this, I get it that. If you ni Korea yore na people that ki na re ni doye champagne lo no na ki so e hia ya no hu yen gi egbe oko me 2022 egbe hwe no la No lie, Oboka Boki, a baby 2020, December 2021. Okin allow a baby ni Jesu Nugi. The what pants they pay now? See all the pants they pay for what you know, see all of the don't pay finish. A ya pilifu ne. Oh, don't be so bata oh. De here, ikwe webu. Ati ona this one don't make una know say not be by talkie oh. Listen to the way they do talkie. The bed be like bed where aboki for the carry kettle or kori kiala jam bok para sa me yak be ya ma wetin ya mekpe. Ya mekpe zia woro udo. Ya ma wetin ya mekpe zia woro udo. Can you imagine? Wadokuge o. Aburu odegbojuku. I want to kill them. I want to bring them down. They didn't answer me. I'm not better than you now. Now so they rich. See you people, my people. May I wake up? Na eko do ye nwa ya yifi anya gbe na ro later. I eko yo no ya gbugbe me dede ni wa I get on my keme yo wuhan. Or my keme yo wuhan gbe ya eko do nyunyi me dede jin ya we na ya ga weko. Den do yifi anya gbe ya weko ni samena no weke. Ya yore ni ka ya vie ne. Ni do yo ni sa oni send de na ya weko. See you guys later.